Hey, I'm Teja. I'm a developer relations engineer for Harness STO, and in this video, we're going to look how you can use STO to perform security scanning on your AI and ML models. So far STO is helping you to perform security scanning on your code repositories for SAST, SEA, and perform scanning on your container images or instances or even IAC configs and everything. But for the first time, STO is now stepping into a new category of aligning with security for AI models, is where we now support performing security scanning on your AI and ML models within your CI/CD pipelines. So that's what we're going to look at. So starting with the pipeline that you see on the screen, we're going to scan a particular pickle file, which is a model file in this GitHub repository. So we're going to clone this and get into our pipeline. And from there, we're going to use the ModelScan step. So this is the step which is going to help us to perform security scanning on that pickle file. We'll also look at what are the things supported and what not in a few seconds. So starting with the stage, you configure it. And from there, I'm going to go configure the repository. So you can just use the stage level connector right from here. So the third party Git provider, and we have the connector already set up. So this is the repository. But in case if your models are part of your Hugging Face repository, you can use the GitHub connector for connecting to your Hugging Face, and then you can configure the repository name and then perform the same steps as what we're going to look at. So yeah, the connector is all set. So this is the repository we're going to clone, and from there we'll have the pickle file to perform the scanning. So you can just quickly add the ModelScan step. So the way you do it, you just add step and search for ModelScan, and then you can just click on that and that will just be up here. So this configuration, there is nothing really much to do. Only the part of scanning the scan mode or the ingestion, or whether it's orchestration or ingestion. So we're going to stick with orchestration, and the main part is you don't have anything related to authentication. The reason is the ModelScan integration is an open source scanner where you can just directly start using without the need of any license or any tokens, any of those things, without any of the authentication modes. So pretty much that in terms of configuration, you can just click on apply changes, and from there you can just save it and then run it. So the branch is going to be main. I'm going to click the select branch and then run the pipeline. So while it takes a couple of seconds to get things done, let me go ahead and actually take you to our developer docs on ModelScan. So this is the documentation of ModelScan step. And from there, you have all the details related to what it can do. And more importantly, you have a section dedicated to the supported list of ML libraries and formats that step can scan. So right here, when you go specific about the libraries, we support PyTorch, Keras, and classic ML models, including scikit-learn XGBoost. In terms of specific formats like pickle, as which is what we're going to scan. And then we have for Keras HT5, and for this we have Cloud Pickle, DIL, and JobLib. So, but when you come to TensorFlow and Keras, particularly the formats of protocol buffers and Keras v3, these are yet to be supported. And more importantly, when you are scanning your ML models, make sure they are not in binary files, because right now we do not support that. Make sure you have in any of these supported formats. But in soon, we'll have support for scanning the binary files too. So let's get into our pipeline and see what's up there. So yep, here we are. Just a few seconds for each step, because the example is a very lightweight model. And then from here, you can just get into the vulnerabilities tab, and then you should be able to find the issues here. So since we have this scan happened in the past, that's why you see comment to the previous scan. So here we have two issues. You can click in and get in all the details about the issue. And you can also see that the issue type is currently categorized into SAST, but soon we'll have a dedicated category by itself, which is an AI or any of the particular category related to the AI ML model scanning. So right now it is in SAST. So even in the step palette, when you go up here right into adding a step, so here you should be able to find a new category of AI, and from there you should be able to add it. Right now these are all part of the SAST. So yeah, this is how you can use Harness STO for performing security scanning on your AI and ML models within your CI/CD pipelines. Thank you.